Hi, this is Dansoy Cook, bringing you a quick recipe, only a 3-minute recipe. It's a Chipotle Ranch coleslaw. It's really quick. You can make it in 2 to 3 minutes. Let's take this journey together, learning recipes. All right, so let's take this recipe together. On my channel in the future, I'm going to bring you sides, different sauces, and ideas that you can make different sides and other recipes in 2 to 3 minutes. So I have a coleslaw mixture here. This is just different cabbages. If you want, you don't have to buy one already pre-made. You can get cabbage yourself and chop it up, but that's up to you. And I have this dressing right here, Chipotle Ranch. So this is a really name brand company. They're known for their quality. So like I said, this one's only going to take 2 or 3 minutes. We're going to take this, open it up, throw it in here, and take our 2 things of dressing, mix it up. If you want, you could add salt and pepper. It's your choice, and we'll have it done in like 2 minutes. Alright, so I have the coleslaw mixture in there. I cut that bag open, and now we're going to take 2 of these gluten-free Chipotle Ranch, and we're just going to mix it in there. And if you want, you could add salt and pepper, or you could add whatever spices you want. Alright, so we got the dressing in there in the 2 packages. So now we're just going to mix this together, and I'm just going to add some pepper, and it's done. And this is just a quick Chipotle Ranch slaw recipe. And you could eat this on the side or mix it into your other food. Alright, so you can see how I mixed all this up, and it has that color to it. And that's Chipotle Ranch. So if you want, you can take black pepper, and add a little bit of that in there, or any other spices that you want. But this makes for a good side, and it's healthy for you because it's cabbage. And like I said, this makes for a good side. You could add it to food like tacos, where it's really good for Mexican meals. So this is just another idea, a quick idea. And like I said, I'll be bringing you other sides, other how-tos, how to make sauces. And thanks for visiting my channel. Please subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll bring you as many updates a week as I can. I love posting, and I love trying new ideas. So be safe. Dansoy out.